2004 330i. Got some weird losing power when we accelerate, just for a moment, almost like it cuts off. When I have the scanner on it and I'm watching the data, all the sensors go flat and then they come back online. It's all relative to how much you're pushing on the accelerator at the time. It's just weird. We're just tracing. I don't see any bad sensors. But back here, and I've seen a couple of these so far, it's got that battery disconnect. It's got a small explosive charge in there, and it disconnects the battery in the case of an accident. This one has not been in an accident recently, that I can tell. But I've got my thermal gun here. We've got an issue with heat. They're inside of this unit. There's a cone and there's two components that come together and make electrical connection. When the explosive charge inside here goes off, they're supposed to separate, and that's that. Now I could see, it's hard to make out here, there's some discoloration sneaking out from underneath the plastic cover. Now this is very soft right now because it's very hot. I'm going to show you how hot. Let's see here. Let's start by doing the negative side. Okay, I'm at about I'm going to put it right on there, about 46 degrees. I'm going to come over here, and if I fish it around here, okay, let's see here. Let me just get the angle on the light. 250 degrees. That is something. That ain't right. So, the kit for this repair is, ECS Tuning has one. I just looked it up. It was north of $500. I think we're going to come up with some other solution here. It may not involve a disconnect, but that is a high current load wire that goes to the starter motor, so it can see easily 400 amp on a crank. So whatever you do to repair this, you have to make sure it's valid or viable, and it can handle that kind of current. But yeah, I'm surprised the battery itself isn't. Yeah, god damn. Right at the terminal. Yeah, the terminal itself, 200. Yeah, up here it's a little bit more. Okay. Now I've got the blower motor on up front, and I've got the headlights on, just to draw some current through there so we can exacerbate the problem. But there you go. Maybe I'll post what I do to fix it, and I'll get creamed by everybody by not putting one of those repair kits in there. But honestly, there's many cars out there that do not have that explosive charge disconnect feature. Audis, many of these things get in accidents and they just burn. Some probably should, I guess, huh? All right, peace.